Video will show you how to edit some of the grading options on the quizzes within MindTap. So the first thing you'll do is put the course into edit mode with this toggle button right here. Next, you will navigate to the quiz that you are wanting to edit, and you will click on Edit and Edit Options. Note that if a student has access to the assignment, that button is going to say View Options, but it will still allow you to come in here and edit some of these settings on the assignment itself. So these are all the default settings. We'll go over a couple that you might want to edit. The first one is the assignment takes here. So you can actually limit the number of takes students have on an assignment, as well as set a time limit if you want to. The grading section will go over the score, if you want to change it to a practice assignment, which would then therefore remove it from the grade book. As well as if you are allowing the multiple takes, which one you want to use, the best one or the most recent one. You can also choose to shuffle questions for each student and each take, which can minimize cheating. Another setting that you might want to edit is the feedback during assignment. So as you know, on each question, the students have that check my work button where they can select an answer and then click that button to see if they got it right or wrong. So a lot of instructors do like to limit this. So the default is unlimited, but you can reduce the number of times that they're allowed to click that, or you can say that you never want them to be able to see that. If you do never, you also need to come over here and change this to say no hints. We actually don't have any hints built into the MindTap for this book. So it doesn't really matter, but you do have to have, if you do have it on Never Show Feedback, you also have to have it say no hints. The last section is the feedback after the assignment, which some instructors don't like to show them the correct answers and some do. And if you do want to show them the correct answers, you can also select a date in which they can see that. Most instructors like to pick a date after the due date so that no student can see it before that due date. Once you're done, you can click Done here, or another option, you're able to save this as a template set. So if I click Save as a new set, I can give it a name. We will call it Quiz Settings. Click OK. And then you can see that it turns it into a drop-down template that you can select. And then you can select Done and Save. And then for the next quiz that you go in to edit, instead of having to do all of those clicking options again, all you have to do is select that template and then select Done. So once this loads, you can see I can use my drop-down menu, put on my quiz, it automatically changes everything to what I selected, and then all I have to do is click Done and Save.